Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Farah, a pharmacy student from second semester in College of Health Sciences Madani. Today I will be showing you how to make pulveres and how to insert it into capsules. So firstly, we have to prepare all the materials and equipments that we need. We have mortar, sampler, a spatula, empty capsules, and lastly the material, which is paracetamol. According to the recipe that we got from the doctor, the patient needs paracetamol and we have to make it in capsule form. From the calculations that I got, I have to use 20 tablets of paracetamol to be made as pulveres. So, firstly, you take 20 tablets of paracetamol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then you crush the tablets until it becomes homogeneous. Now that it's almost done, so I have taken 10 empty capsules, and then you open the empty capsules by twisting it and then pull it gently. So the bigger part is the part where we are going to put the tablets in, and then we do it by using a spatula. Fill it in until it's full. You may want to tap it. So as you can see that it's full, we close the capsule. Press it gently, and then done. Do it for the next 10 capsules.